Today will help you access the cheer sound effects in Capcut Mobile free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Your video clip is deselected and not highlighted. Bottom left hand screen and click audio. To the right and click sound effects. Beneath here, you want to scroll to the right until you see the option cheers. To access the cheer sound effect, you can click. And notice Capcut Mobile will preview the cheer sound effect. Plus or the blue icon to add on the timeline. If you want to add multiple, do the same thing. Go to sound effects, click the plus, and notice Capcut Mobile will add multiple cheer sound effects. This is the before. This is the after. Completely for free.